Hello everyone. If you want to highlight full row automatic with multiple condition, let me show you in this video. Okay, here the thing is, for example, we want drive greater or equal 500 and no stop, we highlight with the yellow one. For example, this one and the same right here. Okay, here multi-condition. You can have 3 or 4 or something like this. For example, here, for if I put it 600 and no, it automatically highlight. But if here yes, not no, it not highlights. Okay, only two condition made this highlight. Okay, let me show you. Okay, first of all, just select all your data right here, something like this, and go to Home, Conditional Format, and New Rule. Okay, choose New Rule, and then what we do here, we use formula. Okay, so we start with equal. This time we have two condition, right greater than 500 and stop is greater than 500. Oh, but stop is no. So this time we use and we start with and okay, small capital, small or big capital letter is no problem. We start with E here. So E3, the price right here start with E3. So we the line E3, okay, greater or equal 500, comma, okay, and then I will stop right here. F3, the line F3 equal no. So mean that two condition. If both true, we will use this color. Okay, let's see again, something like this. If you have more, just comma, comma, comma. And okay, boom, you got it right. If I check it to no, boom, I got it. If it meets both conditions. Okay, hope you learned something from the video. See you next time.